scams. I have to change my username to don't ever send me money. Imposters everywhere. Richard Hart, bracket, don't ever send me money. Imposters everywhere, bracket. That's fucked up, right? But I'm out there actually making an effort trying to stop the fucking scams. And everyone else is like, oh, fucking that Richard, yeah, he's a scammer.
Call it a scam, nobody really cares. We can tell you the only one that ain't prepared. Oh yes, I'ma be a millionaire. 5, a couple trillion shares. Oh no, I ain't getting wrecked again. Richard Hart, he got us set to win. We're a family, we all the best of friends. We ain't a cult, man, just call us Hexicans. ICOs, pump and dumps, they always try to take you. Buy low, sell high, I'm tired of your fake news. You need a token, you broken, you wanna see some massive gains? Lambo, new crib, model wife, cash and chains. Look no further at your final destination. Don't be complacent every day when you paper chasing. Choose the best, leave the rest. Stop investing like you press. The only crypto that you'll ever need is Hex. Call it a scam, nobody really cares. We can tell you the only one that ain't prepared. Oh yes, I'ma be a millionaire. 5, a couple trillion shares. Oh no, I ain't getting wrecked again. Richard Hart, he got us set to win. We're a family, we all the best of friends. We ain't a cult, man, just call us Hexicans. Your investments are safe, it's got defenses. A mutable contract that pays trustless interest. I don't understand why everybody is hating. Hex is capped at 3.69 inflation. Shares are like hash rate. The higher you take her, the more daily interest that gets paid to the stakers. Always do your own research, don't listen to me though. It's complete, it can't be changed. Hex is finito. Call it a scam, nobody really cares. We can tell you the only one that ain't prepared. Oh yes, I'ma be a millionaire. 5, a couple trillion shares. Oh no, I ain't getting wrecked again. Richard Hart, he got us set to win. We're a family, we all the best of friends. We ain't a cult, man, just call us Hexicans. The game has changed, ain't no going back now. Dummies that called Hex a scam can back down. I hope you understand, I pray that you follow me. You owe the entire Hex family an apology. And stay sober, cash out, the game's over. Hex is here for the market cap takeover. Buckle up, we about to be full throttle. With multiple audits is where we get paid to hodl. We got the game smothered, sisters and brothers, with no expectation of the work from others. It's complicated, I know that there's a lot to this. For your daily Hex updates, tune to Hexologist.
What's up, guys?
Hex is like nothing that you ever been through. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the pumpamentals. If you like what you hear by now, think twice. Just remember, yo, this ain't financial advice. Call it a scam, nobody really cares. We can tell you the only one that ain't prepared. Oh yes, I'ma be a millionaire. 5, a couple trillion shares. Oh no, I ain't getting wrecked again. Richard Hart, he got us set to win. We're a family, we all the best of friends. We ain't a cult, man, just call us Hexicans.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Hex News Live, where you can get your up-to-date view of what's been going on with Hex in the last 24 hours. How is everybody doing today? How is everybody doing? Craziness in the markets once again. Oh my gosh, here we go. The old bear market's coming, or is it? Is it really coming? I don't know. I don't really think so. I think that we'll retest $20,000 on the Bitcoin pairing. Actually, let's go ahead and check it out over on TradingView. I haven't even looked at the Bitcoin. I literally haven't looked at Bitcoin in like months, so maybe it's a good time to check it out. Let's see, USD. Bitstamp is always the best one to go to. It has the most data. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think that we're in for a correction right back up, guys. I think that this right here, 20,000, I think is the absolutely lowest that will go. Where's 20,000? I mean, it's pretty far down, right? I think we have some support here at about 30,000 as well. So don't worry too much, guys. Don't worry too much. Good morning, Mr. Moneyman. What's up, Helios Glaze? Who sold? Yeah, I want to know too, Dan. I would like to know that too. But hey, whoever sold, they're probably wrecked now. Hopefully we get a huge pump in the next few hours, and then they're gonna be crying to their moms. I was in and then I got out. But this was, a head and shoulders pattern. It looked like some people are saying the Wyckoff. I've never actually looked into the Wyckoff. I get it, from what people showed me, it looks exactly like what the Wyckoff thing is, the Wyckoff distribution pattern. I've never actually looked into it, so maybe it's that. But here's the old tone vase TD indicator, and looks like we're pretty oversold here on the indicator, so we should see, it doesn't mean that we have to flip back, but usually you get a green candle in between, and at least one good green candle, and then if it flips back, you'll see a green above like this. But as you can see, we were in the reds. You go to a 9, usually there'll be like a 13. What is this? 10, 11, 12, 13. So here's 13. So 14, that's pretty overextended. So yeah, I think that, look at this. Ooh, look at that, my old line. It played out pretty well, didn't it? When did I put this? December 16th? Oh, I guess I probably put it in. Huh. All right. Well, I did pretty good there. I made that call back in $19,000 Bitcoin. Why did I sell my Hex will be the complaint. Very true. Very true. That's why I'm glad. What's up, Big Pep? Hey, sorry for over streaming you yesterday, Big Pep. Now I'm just doing random streams. I just get home from the gym and I just go on streaming. I didn't even see that you were streaming. So sorry about that, man. I didn't see that you were streaming yesterday. But hopefully you're doing well. Let's see. No worries. Oh, okay. Thanks, man. Sorry about that. Who sold? Yeah, we're gonna have to find the names, the actual names of these people. Just kidding. Don't do that. Who cares? If you took profit, hey, good for you. Everybody's got to take profit. And, from one of my really good friends, he says that, taking profits in a bear or a bull run is always more profitable than taking them in the bear run, right? You don't want to be selling, let's say, at 0.005, when back in the day when we were in, not that we were in a bear market, but if we ever go into a bear market, you probably want to be selling at, the highs instead of the lows, right? So it does suck for the people that are holding and have them diamond hands, but hey, you're staked for years, so does it really matter? Probably not too much, right? We're getting some sell-off, though, right now. It looks like, let me get these Bollinger Bands off. I think that the 50 EMA is hopefully the absolute lowest that we go. Not exactly sure, though. It looks like it's going to be at 3.2 cents. And really, 3 cents right here is where I'm showing this line. Let me see. There we go. That I would like to see this intact. If we can hold 3 cents, let's make it red. There we go. 3 cents. We had our 4 cents break just today. Lots of selling in the market. The entire market is down, guys. I mean, just the entire market. We can check out nomics.com. Let's see. Yeah, we're down 23%. Nothing really. I mean, let's see. Shiba Inu is up 5%. But that looks like about it, right? Everything's down double digits today. Hex is actually, if you look at the 7-day, let's see, actually, not 7-day prediction. Where can you go to the 7-day? I know that Coin Paprika has it. So in the last 7 days, I think Hex has done quite well compared to everything else. I mean, look at this, 31%. Yeah, that's awful, but look at everything else. 30%, 47%, 42, 58% for Binance, 51, 60, 55, everything's down 60, in the 40s and 50s, and Hex is down 31% after going up, 700%, or how crazy was this run up, by the way? I mean, this run up was insane. This is just, this in my opinion is just a regular pullback. It's not even, let's just see from this, or April 27th. It went up 430%, and we've gone down, let me get there we go. We've gone down 48% from there. So really it's went up about 200 and something percent in the last month, right? So I like a 2x. That's okay with me. And obviously you're going to have some corrections after big moves. We always see them. Big move, correction, big move, correction, always. So let me get rid of this SAR. Big move, correction, big move, correction, big move, correction, and it's just, you get that accumulation pattern. I would like it to sit on the 50% or the 50 EMA, this purple line right here. That would be awesome if we could do it. MACD, if we could just bounce up off this this histogram right here. Let me make a line for you guys so you guys know what I'm talking about. Right here, right at the 0 line. Once we bounce up off of this, it usually is very, very bullish, as you guys can see. And when we cross, I told you guys about this. When we cross on this MACD, it is always a good time to take some profits, right? It's been like, not always, no financial advice, but look at these patterns. When it crossed right here, 9th of January. Well, let's check out the 9th of January. 9th of January. Look at the 9th of January. If you would have sold right here, you could have, let's see when it flipped back around. Right here on February 3rd. February 3rd right here. So you could have sold 9th of January right about here, bought right back up here. You could have made a decent amount, but I wouldn't trade. If you're a trader, you're probably going to get wrecked in general because you're never going to make those, because you're going to be like, is it really crossed? Has it really crossed? I don't know. I'm going to wait for a couple of days, and then it's too far. Then you buy higher than when you sold. So it's never really profitable. It's just it's a good indicator of what is to come in the markets. That's what I'm looking at it for. I don't try buy and sell and stuff like that. I mean, I buy, but I'm not like trading, and it's because, like I said, by the time that you catch this, it's already up here, and then you're like, oh, and then you didn't make anything. So, but really what I see is coming down to the 3.2 cents on this 50 EMA, if nothing else, 3 cents. Absolute lowest, I think, is 2 cents. You get some support right here. Let's see. I think we get some support right here, and if we break through that, this absolute lowest at 1.3. I think that 1.3 is very it's going to be some pretty strong support. As you can see, we've gotten it was really strong resistance to get through for a long time, and once we if we ever touch it, I think that we bounce pretty hard off of it. But it really just depends on how the rest of the market is playing out, because it looks like we're following the market pretty well. And once you got to realize that once these people that have their bags, they sell it, and the other people start staking it. Like there's only so much to be staked, right? There's only so much to be staked. Let's see. Hex Whalebot, guys, if you guys saw this yesterday, let me see, where did it go? This guy, 130 million hex, just ended a stake. He made about $327,000 for 7 million hex. He made that in 132 days. And he staked, I think this is the same guy. Yeah. Here it is. So he staked all of it for 2,200 days. He staked all of it for 2,200 days. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, because we have to wait for it to roll over first. So he could cancel it at any time. But yeah, it could. All that money could just be taken right off the market. And that's what I'm saying. Like these guys take a lot of their money and just pull it right off the market, and that's pretty amazing, because that you're not able to sell that anymore. It's gone for a long time. That is gone for a long time. All right, $630 for one t-shirt. Looks like we're at about 3.5 cents currently, and 5.78 hex per t-shirt. So we probably didn't get a lot. We haven't gotten a lot currently. A lot of penalties. So 181 stakes that have opened today, and 476 stakes that have closed. But like I said, this is 24 hours, and this is just the last 16 hours or 14 hours, something like that. So this still has the rest of the day. This is on the daily. So this is when it closes, and this is like the last 24 hours. So this only has 15 hours worth of data on it. So, but still, that's quite a lot of stakes that have been closed. 1.4 million hex penalties. And let's see the T-share price. Let's see if it's gone up. Yeah, 17,737 hex. Yesterday it was at 17,731. So we went up about 6. Let's see. By the way, remember my old saying, I only buy red candles. So I only buy red candles. I don't buy green candles. That's the way to get wrecked, right? But look at this huge wick that we had clear up on the Ethereum pairing, 3.1 or 31,000 Gwei. We got clear up to 32,000. Pretty much our all-time high on the Ethereum pairing. I didn't even see this. The market must be, I mean, there's 568 Ethereum. I don't know, maybe one of those flash loans that happen, because that's a pretty big. Let's see, let's check it out. Yeah, it's a 57%. Went up 57%. Holy crap! Superboy. Super Buddy something. Hey, thanks for the follow. Pretty crazy move. But looks like it's wrapping around to get starting with some accumulation. RSI is currently going down on the Ethereum pairing. Same with the it's below the 50 mark on the RSI for the daily, and MACD, like we saw already, has crossed over. So bearish all around. Global volumes down 16%, 15% on the global market cap at 1.5 trillion. So there you go. Matcher.xyz, if you guys want to put in those limit orders, hey, if you think it's going lower, you can put a limit order and catch a bottom or something. So if you guys are going to get the staker app, hey, go to hex.doctor, go all the way down, click on the app store that you have on your phone and get it. Go to hex.doctor, check it out. One Ethereum right now will get you 54,744 hex. And let's check out USDC. Yesterday, I think it was at like 27. Yeah, okay. So 31 hex per $1 right now. Gas is pretty gross right now. I wouldn't be trading. Although, hey, you do what you do. $58 for one for a Uniswap. And I think that's it, guys. I think that's it for the news. Let me check out the comments, and then I'll release the class for the day. Let's see. Good morning. What's up, guys? Have to get a car loan. I have to get a car loan? Worst thing ever? Yeah, that sucks, man. Went shopping this morning? Okay, Hudson. Everything's on sale. Very true. Oh, okay. That's what you mean. Yes. Please sell your hex. I want more and more hex. Not a bad idea, right? Guys, we are still above DOT. 20 billion market cap is still pretty solid if we go back some months ago. True. Rolling dice, come on, 2 cents. Once we bounce back, oh boy. I mean, for real. I mean, that's it. All it takes is one big buy, right? And you could see Alice posted another. Let's see. Where's my Twitter? There it is. Alice posted another diagram of how. I mean, look how easy this is. And this was at 4 cents. So we're obviously, and I think Ethereum is down off of this too. Let's check out what Ethereum's at. Oh, I guess we can go to Nomics. Ethereum's at $1,965, below $2,000 for that Ethereum, boys. So here we go. Uniswap pool about $7.5 billion to get a 10x right now. $16 million. What is a 10x? Well, it would be 40 cents. So it's probably even less than this now. Probably 15 million, something like that. About 7,646 Ethereum. 100x, about $67 million. And I mean, this is a straight buy. Somebody just fat fingers the buy button, but yeah, somebody was like, "You can't give people hope like that. There's no way somebody puts in 16 million." It's like, maybe we've seen it. We've seen somebody double the price before, right? So haters gonna hate. I guess haters are gonna hate. Sup, Doc? Question: is approving USD on Match a one-time thing, or every time you use USDC? It should be just one time. It's just like on your MetaMask. Hexo, what the f? It's before noon. Yeah, I remember I'm doing these early. I love your chart reading. Well, thank you, Northernmost. Buy assets for 3,000 asset. Market value goes to $100,000. Asset falls back to 70,000. Anti-crypto Twitter. Everyone is wrecked. Very true, right? Wales only. Hey, what's up, Wales? Let's see. That's loud. Yeah, sorry, Flames. I turned it down. Let's see. Words on the street is that you will stop with the daily streams. Is this true? Well, Sam, baby, I was going to think. The thing is that it was getting too taxing at the time that we were at. So I decided to just move it back to right when I get done with the gym. So I have, 30 extra minutes. Because usually when I get home from the gym, I take a shower, which I haven't yet. I take a shower, I put the baby down, take a shower, and then I don't, the wife leaves for work. Now I'm like, and I have like 30 minutes usually in between. And at night, the baby is, my wife sometimes has to work, or, I got other things going on with the family. Usually at this time in the morning after the gym, I'm like, it's not a busy time for me. So, no, I'm going to continue to do it, for now, at least, just cause yeah, why not? Right. Bitcoin 21-week moving average will break today for the first time in years. I expect much lower prices, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, I was thinking 20,000. 20,000 is the ultimate lowest. I think that it's going to bounce up off of the support from 2020 or 2017, 2018. Excuse me. Yeah, I think that 20,000 right here is the lowest that it'll go, but possibly not. I think that we're going to see this as support right here. Let's see. There we go. There you go. Something like that. I think it comes down, wicks down, and then V bottoms up. But hey, possibly not. I don't honestly. Like I said, I don't even read the Bitcoin charts very often. So if it doesn't, don't hate me. Don't hate me. Let's check out what Hex has for the TD indicator. Let's see, Uniswap. We're on an 8 right now. So hey, we can get one more candle, and then do another and do a flippening. See, as you can see, look, a 9 hit right here. We went up, continued to go up. This was saying, oh my gosh, this was very, very oversold. And look at that. It went, it pretty much was telling you, hey, this is pretty oversold. But, it can keep going. It can keep going. And it doesn't have to pull back this hard always. And I think that what we're seeing right now is just fear of the market. Really, has anything changed with Hex? Has anything changed with Bitcoin? Has anything changed with any of these? No, they haven't. Maybe, Ethereum's gas fees are pretty awful. But we have a solution for that. So it's gonna be wild to see when Pulse comes out, what Pulse will do to the market, if anything. So I hope everyone has a great Sunday. You too, Wells. Yeah, I hope everybody too. Off to run some miles. Nice, dude. We are here for you, Hexo. Well, thanks, Coco. Awesome, you the best, bro. Well, thanks, bro. Reveille. Oh, geez, what's up? Send for DeFi to you as well, Crypto King. They call me Jake Paul, the problem child. Okay, Jake Paul bought Hex. Did he really? How do you guys know that? No, I'm buying the dip. Well, there you go, Slurlip. Not a bad idea. I mean, it's when you see fear in the market and there's no, nothing fundamental that has changed about any of this, really. I mean, really, what's the FUD about? Bitcoin being banned by China? Oh, they've never said that again or before, right? They've never said that like 1,000 times. That last 2017. What I see it is shaking out the retail investors. All these people that think, oh yeah, Bitcoin is so decentralized. It's the new world of money because it's the retail investors that hold it. No. They own the media, guys. They own the media. They can skew whatever you think in there's like this thing's evil, and it goes down, and guess who's buying it all up? The guys that were that you think aren't holding it anymore. So please sell me your Hex. Yes, red candles like these, where the whales make the bucks. Exactly. What's up, Super Hex? How's it going, man? Not much, bro. Not much. What's your sacrifice and strategy for Pulse? I don't really have a strategy because there's not entirely all of the information out yet. So I haven't made a strategy. When all of the information comes out and maybe we get a couple of days to look it over, I'm going to look at it. But I feel like there's not enough known about it for the best strategy currently. For honestly, like if I'm being honest, I don't have a strategy. Maybe that's what I should say. All my liquid Hex is going to be sacrificed. I just don't know what days that I'm going to. And if really, I'll probably. It sounded like it doesn't matter if you FOMO in day one or for the first week. It doesn't sound like you're going to get anything less. But I think that it'll do really good for the Hex price, honestly, because. Why not? You're giving all of the liquid Hex off the market to an entity that has never sold, right? No strategy, nose pinch. I don't know what's wrong with my nose. I got like a sore right here because I do it so often because of freaking allergies. Because in my nose and like something, I don't know. I need to go get it fixed or something. I need to go get my nose fixed. Oh, let's see. They are going back up. Exactly, Archie. Exactly. I mean, it's going to happen, right? Price up or down, I don't care. 38% paid daily. Thank you. Exactly, Sir Lip. Exactly. Nothing fundamentally has changed about X, and we still get paid. That's one of the best things ever. Podcast interview with Richardson. Yeah, maybe Murray. Sorry. He's probably really busy. So in before Hexo got a nose job. Well, I don't think I need a nose job. I'm you know, something's wrong inside of there. It's like always messing with me. Plastic surgery after profits. Hexo is the red candles. Oh, jeez. Same old game plan by the whales. Yeah. When you can watch the hex price and don't care to do the daily hex interest, there isn't any stress. Very true, Coco. Exactly. I mean, that's the thing is if you're really worried about it, guys, like that's why you should be taking profits on the way up, and on the way down, you should be buying it all back up with them profits that you took. But if you weren't able to do it, hey, like I just said, we go up, we get huge run ups. And you're always going to see, it going back down. We're all, look at it though. Look how awesome this chart looks comparatively to everything else. I mean, we've had some of the biggest, technical analysis in crypto space, really talk about how good this chart is, and it is awesome. So, don't be too worried. I think that this is maybe something that we could see. Here we go. Something like that. Let's just make lines. There we go. Maybe come back down. This is 2.6 cents. So really 3.3 cents, between 3 cents, 2.5 cents. Honestly, that's I feel like is the lowest, but that's still what, a 2x from where we were in April 26th. So a month ago, it's still a 2x. We're like a 3x right now. So, but hey, we could touch this 50 EMA, or we could go right now. Somebody could just buy a whole bunch. It's really it's anybody's game at this point. And if the rest of the market starts to recover, I think Hex recovers right well. LOL, Tony Montana issues. No. You can get surgery to open up your airways. Yeah, I need to do that, Flames. Honestly, yeah, I've always been like I've had deviated septum. Yeah. Hexo used to be Tony Montana, hence nose issues. No, I didn't. I mean, I have dabbled like when I was a kid, but that was a pretty dumb idea when I was a kid. We need to cancel Vegas meetup. The dip is Hex selling to party in Vegas. Okay, maybe I shouldn't be saying any of this. Hex bad. Please sell cough cough to me. Yeah. On the next episode of Dr. Pimple Popper at Twitch streamer. For nose drainage. Well, you guys made me get that one nose drainage thing, the little thing that you hold upside down with the salt and it freaking drains. So yeah, I mean, a kid. Well, I was like 20. I was a kid to me. All right, guys. Well, there we go. That's the news for today. Let's go see who we can bother with the Hex today with Hex. Let's see. Blizz 1 TV. That guy, there we go. Tired of the BS. He's tired of it, guys. He is tired of the BS. You know who else is tired of it? We are. We are tired of it. Let's see. Let's get do the slot guys have some DJs? Who's the slot guys? Wolf of Westchester. Put their names in here and then we can. 50% is the time to dollar cost average back in. Very true, Stargood. Hexo, any big early end stake for me? Oh no, not today. There was like 1.4 emergency end stakes today. 1.4 million. Nothing big right now. Rothstein, okay, 20,000 viewers. Okay, so we won't be seen by him. Okay, whatever, that's all right. Landlord, hey, thank you for the follow. Okay, let's see. Oh, I got it right over here. Big community. All right. Hopefully you're not my landlord. Oh, okay. Yeah, nothing real big. All right, guys. Well, hopefully everybody had a great day. Hopefully you guys got the T-share rate that you wanted. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your evening or day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. $2.01. Say it in your head. Say it every day. Say it to your cat. Say it to your dogs. Say it to your mother-in-law. And maybe we'll get there. Maybe we'll get there by the end of the year, right? All right, guys. Well, hopefully everybody has a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.